Here it is. Heavy duty box for your Oculus Quest 2. So this one's actually really handy. I mean, if you don't want to use for Oculus Quest 2 later down the line, you can use it for any other device too. I mean, or maybe your tools too, because it is heavy duty. It's material on the outside, but it's heavy duty and reinforced inside. It's like reinforced with a plastic. This is supposed to keep everything dry and clean in there. So we're gonna open it up, but just to let you guys know, the vendor was kind enough to send this out for us to review. So let's take a look at it and see what we get. So here we have it, pretty heavy duty. We're gonna open it up. Zippers even have plastic. These are made of plastic beside it. Open it up, and you can see like it's kind of waterproof on the end, the lips. And there we have it. Look at that. Beautiful fit for your Oculus. It's all made like it's kind of like a foam inside with actually not even foam, but kind of like a cardboard, hard cardboard with material. Very too much swave everywhere. So top, it's gonna give you indentation so you could push down the Oculus Quest, and we're gonna set it up. We actually got another headset strap that we did a review on. See if it fits with that. Open it up, and then we're gonna go ahead and set it up, which goes on this side, I believe. Open this up more with the strap. Look at with the brand new strap. Close it up. Got plenty of room. This actually is flexible right here. If you guys notice, you can even put extra stuff in there. And then all we got to do is close it up. It fits. It's compatible, even though it's not the strap that belongs to Oculus. I'm just letting you guys know this is heavy reinforced stuff. Pretty awesome little heavy duty thing. If you guys noted. So I like it. And like I said, down the line, if you don't want to use it for your Oculus, you can use it for anything else, and it fits perfectly on there. Even with this extra strap, it actually pushed it back more in the back. If you guys notice, I like it for traveling. If you're gonna take it to your friend's house, if you're gonna take it camping outdoors, and you want to take something like a plastic bag, you want to maybe take something like this reinforced. It's perfect for your Oculus. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.